This is a task-integrated estimate. We create task-integrated estimates because they give us concise labor and material breakdowns that can be assigned to field workers to let them know what materials are available and how long they have to complete the task. Then we record their actual time through time card reporting against each task. This creates ownership and accountability. Once compiled, our task-integrated estimate can be queried at any level. This report is sorted by phase of construction and is used to predict manpower loading. It is very simple and efficient to create task-integrated estimates with commercially available estimating software. We use Vision InfoSoft's Electrical Bid Manager. We like it for its ability to quickly sort labor and materials at any level. If you're going to pay an estimator to price and ultimately win a project, that estimate just became your goal. There are accepted practices for accomplishing goals successfully. Task-integrated estimates meet all of these requirements. There is a lot of power in a well-formatted estimate when it is coupled with the right construction management platform. We use profitability software to create a manpower-loaded, task-integrated, deadly accurate, prioritized roadmap for workers and crews to follow that leads us right to a successful project. We start by exporting a file of our estimate. Next, we'll open our profitability software. As you can see, the Task tab is empty, as is the Phase tab. Next, we'll import our estimate file. We'll select our file and click Open. As you can see, our tasks have been brought in, as have the phases. If we select a phase, we can see that all of the associated tasks have been automatically imported for each phase of construction. Let's take a look at our project schedule. Our work breakdown structure has already been pre-populated. Now all we need to do is build the schedule. Let's see what that might look like. Here's our project schedule, and we have some important features to ensure our success. Let's take a look at them. These tasks highlighted in orange are action items. They need to be completed and checked off before any tasks in this phase can start. This is to ensure that the crew has everything they need in place to do the work. We check this progress right from our office. Clicking on any task will bring up the document library for that task, which contains any relevant documents of interest for that specific task. This can contain pictures, drawings, equipment details, installation manuals, spec sheets, and should always include a detailed material list for every task, right from our task-integrated estimate. This is the material look-ahead. It sets for 5 weeks, but is adjustable here. Our crews use this to ensure that the materials for this week are all on site, so that we'll be ready when the tasks are due to start. Our estimator can't always predict every piece of material that is required to build the site. That's why we walk down every task weeks in advance with our material list in hand to determine whether we need any site-specific materials that could not have been predicted. If so, we have plenty of time to get those materials ordered and delivered before our task start date arrives. Clicking on any date will pull up the daily log. This is where we document all the activity on our site and communicated important information back to the office. The task durations are dynamic and automatically adjust by crew size. Since the program uses estimate data to build the schedule, it knows how many hours are allotted for each task. It automatically does the math based on crew size and hours per day to set the task duration. This is extremely helpful when modeling recovery schedules to make up lost time. This is just one of the ways we can help keep your material needs and your schedule on time for a profitable project delivery.